Hello everyone, I am back with the next video. So in this video today we are going to learn about the best distro for learning the ethical hacking and penetration testing. So I have listed here top 4 distro based on my research and experience, but it is not from any official source. This is only from my point of view. So without delay, let us move towards our video. So the first distro which I have kept on the top or in the number 1 is the Kali Linux. It is one of the most advanced and popular penetration testing distribution. So if some have used it from very beginning, then you can know it as a Backtrack Linux, which was quietly changed to Kali in 2012 when Backtrack became vulnerable. I'm not keeping it randomly on the top. I have some reason due to which I have kept it on the top. So I'll just move towards that reason. So the first reason why I considered it at the top is it has the rolling releases. So you can see here Kali has started its rolling releases from 2016 one, which was on the day 2016 the first rolling releases kernel 4.3, and after that all the version whichever it is coming all has the rolling releases. So I think most of you are thinking, what do you mean by rolling releases? So rolling releases means this Kali Linux is going to update frequently on the regular basis. So this was the first reason why I like this Kali Linux, or why I kept this on the top. Then the next reason why I love this, if I talk about this, is it has a lot of tools, which includes more than 600 pre-installed tools that are equipped with different security tasks like penetration testing. So you can see here different tools are available here: information gathering, okay, vulnerability analysis, web analysis, so database, password attack. So inside this also you can find there are many tools are available. Okay, so due to that it has lots of tools which are pre-installed. So I have just said it has more than 600 tools. So this is the another reason why I have kept this Kali Linux on the top. So you can see here inside this forensics also we have so many tools. So you can see here there are so many. The next reason why I put the Kali Linux on the top is it is fully customizable, which means if the original design is not up to the point, as the appearance and feel are not good, then user can customize according to the desire. So you can see here you can customize in this way, or you can change to this kind of form, or you can change to this kind of form. So in this way you can change to the different form if you don't like their original design. So this is the another reason why I put this Kali Linux on the top. It is fully customizable. This is one of the awesome feature of this Kali Linux. Likewise, the next reason is it has the excellent documentation. So you can see here is a good documentation and the training services which you can try yourself, and you can also check their blog. So you can see here there is so good documentation. You can find different documentation of different things. So you can see here, and not only this documentation, you can see the training also. In that training also you can find different kind of training. You can see advanced web attacks and exploitation, penetration testing with Kali Linux. So whatever training you like, okay, so you can go through that and you can do that training by doing the register. And you can also check their blog, which has fantastic video. So you can see here. So this is the another reason why I like this Kali Linux the most. And at last, one of the most important reason that I like it the most is it is managed by the Offensive Security, a leading and well-known information security training and organization. So you can see here it is managed by this. So this was the reason why I kept the Kali Linux on the top. So in the second we have the Parrot Linux distribution. So you can see here it is also free and open source GNU Linux distribution. Some features of this distro is so good it can even remove the Kali Linux also. So now let us move towards the reason why this is the second. The first reason is it is a lightweight, due to which it can run surprisingly faster on even very old hardware or with a very limited resource also. I have used this in some of my older computer. It executes flawlessly without any interruption because it requires only 400 megabyte of RAM. So it is really a good. Now the other reason is due to its security features. So you can see here it is always updated, frequently released with many hardening and sandboxing options, due to which there is security mechanism for separate running program. And you can see here everything is under your complete control. So this is the another reason why I like this Parrot, because it is completely secure like that of Kali Linux only. So the next reason is it is also free and open source, due to which we can view our source code and customize as per as our require. So you can see here the interface of Parrot will look like this. So you can convert this into inline kind of interface also. So if you want to convert into next, so you can convert in inline kind of also. So you can convert into any kind of interface whichever you are feasible. So in this way you can convert the interface or you can customize it according to your requirement. So this is another features which I like the most. And except this, it has some new tools which are not by default available in the Kali Linux. So you can see here it has so many tools like Kali Linux only. So you can see here information gathering, which tools are available in the Kali. So these are also available here. So you can see all tools are available, like wireless testing, sniffing, digital forensics, sports engineering, reporting tools. So every tools are available which are available in the Kali. And here are the some new tools which are not available in the Kali. So you can see here is the Anon Solve, okay, which uses a Tor browser to make you anonymous. These are not available by default. This is not available in the Kali. So if you want to use this, you have to install this. So after this, another there is a cryptography also. So you can get the encrypted pad. So in this way, these are the some new features or some new tools which are not available in the Kali. So these are the some reason due to which Parrot is in the second. And you can see almost every features is similar to the Kali. Instead, some features are more good than Kali. So I think some of you start thinking why to use Kali when we have such a good distro. So in the beginning only I have said this distribution order are based on my views. I like the Kali distro, so I have kept it on the top. So if you find Parrot more useful, then you can go through that also, because it is also a fantastic distro. It has so many features and some good tools. Later on the next video I'll also explain you how to install and use it. So in the third I have kept Backbox Linux. So you can see here it is also open source community project developed with the aim to provide security in the IT environment. So if you don't like Kali or Parrot, then you can go through this. It has almost all the tools which are available in the Kali Linux. So you can see here. So when I talk about tools, so you can see all tools like information gathering is available. So inside this also there are network, web, inside this also they are available. So vulnerability assessment is available, exploitation, reverse engineering, social engineering. So every kind of tools are available which are available in the Kali. So except this, we have the anonymous also. So if you want to be anonymous, you can start anonymous. So other services are also available, SSH, Tor. So accessories, you can see different are available. So you can see here. So in this way, it has almost all the tools which you can find in the Kali Linux or Parrot OS. It also supports the vast volume of community materials which are available online. So if you want to install any, then you can install the software which are not by default installed here. So it also has a good security features like that of Kali Linux only. So if you want to use Backbox, then you can go through this also. So now on the fourth, we have the Backbox Linux. So you can see here, it is one of the most powerful operating system among all the open source operating system. It is the package for Arch Linux and distribution based on the Arch Linux. So you can see here, it contains over 2581 tools. And it is the best OS for the penetration testing. But we have one problem with this. It is complex to use and it is not user friendly. Too much experience is needed to use this. So I will not suggest you to use this when you are at the beginning. For the beginner, you can go through either Parrot or Kali based on my view. Okay guys, these were the top 4 distribution for learning the ethical hacking and penetration testing. This much for this video. For the more information about the ethical hacking and penetration testing, we'll learn on the later on videos. Okay, this much for this. Okay, bye. See you on the next video. Thank you.